Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Invisalign accessories is probably one of the most important factors to consider when undergoing Invisalign treatment, as the right accessories can significantly impact your comfort, hygiene, and the overall effectiveness of your treatment. From cases for safekeeping and cleaning to whitening products and retainers, this video will explore the top-rated and most useful Invisalign accessories available on the market today, helping you make informed decisions to optimize your smile journey. Number 5. M3 Naturals Retainer Cleaner. Tired of cloudy retainers? These powerful tablets effectively remove stains, odors, and plaque, leaving your appliance sparkling clean. With 120 individually wrapped tablets, you'll have a 4-month supply for consistent cleaning and long-lasting freshness. It's the most complete cleaning solution available. It's not just for retainers. Use them for dentures, aligners, mouth guards. Any removable dental appliance will benefit from its deep cleaning power. Simply drop a tablet into warm water with your appliance, and let it work its magic. You'll have sparkling clean results in minutes. For best results, soak your appliance daily. This helps prevent food particles and plaque buildup, keeping it fresh and clean. What we like? If you need a thorough clean for all your dental appliances, this is your best bet. With 120 tablets, you'll have enough for months of sparkling clean retainers and aligners. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and effective way to keep their oral appliances fresh and hygienic. What people say. The ultrasonic cleaner is just what I needed to keep my retainers looking and feeling like new. It is simple to use and works its magic in minutes. I've been using these retainer cleanser tablets for a few weeks now, and they've made a noticeable difference. My Invisalign aligners feel fresh and free of buildup after soaking them for about 10 minutes. The tablets dissolve quickly, and the solution does a great job of removing odors and discoloration without leaving a weird aftertaste on the trays. Easy to use, just drop a tablet into warm water. Effectively removes stains and buildup. Keeps my aligners odor-free and looking clear. I use these tablets with my ultrasonic retainer cleaner daily, and my Invisalign retainers have never been cleaner. They help take away the cloudiness and clean them more thoroughly than brushing them. Number 4. PUL Clear Aligner Removal Tool. Are you tired of struggling with your aligners? This tool makes removal quick and easy, every time. Its ergonomic design allows for a simple and precise removal. No more fumbling or struggling. Just hook it onto your aligner and gently pull. It's that simple. It's compatible with Invisalign, Bite, ClearCorrect, and more. It even works with retainers and dentures. Created by a dental assistant to solve a common problem. It's designed to improve your treatment experience. Made with food-grade materials, it's dishwasher safe and built to last. Keep it in your case for easy access. What we like? If you struggle with removing your aligners, this tool is a game changer. Its simple design and hygienic material make it easy to use and clean. It's suitable for all types of aligners and other oral appliances, making it a versatile addition to your oral care routine. What people say. This tool should come with the Invisalign trays to start with. Very good tool and fits in the Invisalign case too. Now removal is so quick I can squeeze in a snack too in the allotted time with the trays out. Great when you are just getting started and your teeth are very tight. I used these for a few months, but now I just use my hands now that I'm more comfortable. This little tool is amazing, efficient, painless, and quickly removes my liners. Number 3. EverSmile AlignerFresh. Say hello to EverSmile AlignerFresh, the revolutionary aligner cleaner that's also a teeth whitener. It's perfect for keeping your smile bright and fresh throughout the day. Unlike other cleaners, it works directly under aligner buttons and attachments. This ensures a thorough clean, no matter the aligner type. It's small enough to keep in your pocket, gradually whitening your teeth without sensitivity. It's the ideal solution for cleaning and whitening after meals. It eliminates almost all bacteria that cause bad breath and tooth decay, leaving you with a confident smile. Enjoy fresh breath all day long. No soaking or rinsing is needed, simply spray and wear. It's that simple to maintain a healthy, clean smile. Wear it all day long to whiten your teeth while your aligners straighten them. Achieve that perfect smile with ease. It works perfectly with Invisalign, ClearCorrect, and many other aligner brands. It's the versatile solution for all your aligner needs. What we like. If you're always on the go, this spray is perfect for maintaining fresh breath and clean aligners throughout the day. It's also a convenient way to whiten your teeth without sensitivity. It's ideal for those who want a quick and easy way to keep their smile bright and clean, wherever they are. What people say. They are each roughly the size of a lipstick and fit easily in your purse or pocket. The lid has a clear cover, so it won't go off until you use it. Great for when you can't brush your liners before you pop them back in after a lunch or snack. The small containers are nice since I don't leave home without this stuff. If you get to use your aligners on a daily basis, this is a great way to keep them clean and your breath fresh. The best of it is you will be able to take it everywhere because of its size. Number 2. Slim Aligner Case with Mirror. It's slim, lightweight, and easily fits in your purse or pocket. Its magnetic closure keeps everything secure, so you can take it anywhere. This case comfortably holds your aligners, plus extra accessories like a remover tool, chewies, and even floss. No more searching for misplaced items. Made from food-grade ABS plastic, it's durable and safe for your aligners and other small items. It's perfect for retainers, mouthguards, and more. The soft silicone pad keeps your aligners securely in place, preventing rattling and protecting them from damage. Enjoy peace and quiet wherever you go. The built-in mirror lets you easily check your teeth after removing your aligners. It's a simple feature that makes a big difference. It comes with a remover tool, chewy, and brush, so you have everything you need for proper aligner care. It's the ultimate convenience. What we like. If you need a compact and convenient way to store your aligners and accessories, this case is a great choice. It's slim enough for your pocket or purse and includes extra storage for your tools. It's perfect for those who value portability and organization. What people say. It is easy to open and close the case. There is also a switch to open the vents for air to go through. It's to prevent bacteria from growing. It also came included with a mini brush and retainer remover. Pretty and the right fit for my tooth guard. The color and look is as pictured. It's durable, functional, and easy to use, and fits into any place. The mirror is so helpful to check for food in your teeth before putting the trays back in. Number 1. Invisalign Cleaning Crystals. Say hello to sparkling clean aligners. These convenient crystals make cleaning your aligners quick and easy, keeping them fresh and hygienic. Simply drop a packet into warm water with your aligners, and let it work its magic. It's that simple. Rinse your aligners, place them in the tub, add warm water and a packet, let it sit, and rinse again. You'll have perfectly clean aligners in just 15 minutes. They effectively remove plaque and odor, leaving your aligners feeling fresh and clean all day long. Maintain a healthy smile with ease. Store them in a cool, dry place to ensure they stay effective and ready to use whenever you need them. It's all about convenience and effectiveness. From aligners to cleaning crystals, Invisalign provides everything you need for a successful and comfortable treatment. Achieve your dream smile with confidence. What we like. If you value speed and efficiency in your aligner cleaning routine, these cleaning crystals are for you. They provide a quick and effective way to remove plaque and keep your aligners fresh. It's perfect for those who want a simple yet powerful cleaning solution with a convenient tub and multiple packets. What people say. These crystals do a great job of getting most of the staining off of my trays. I have found nothing that compares to this product. It is easy to use and the cleansing is perfect. Sanitizes your visual line trays back to freshness. Takes out the dryness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.